You are managing a SQL Server instance installed on an Azure Virtual Machine located within resource group RG1. You need to use PowerShell to activate and set up automated patching for this server, ensuring both Windows OS security updates and SQL Server security updates are included. Identify the correct PowerShell command components to fill in the blanks.
For the first blank, consider the following command: get-azvm-resource group name rg1-name sq1 pipe blank. The options are: option A, get-azvm SQL Server extension; option B, set-azvm extension; option C, set-azvm SQL Server extension. For the second blank, look at the parameter -SQL management type blank. The options are option D, full; option E, lightweight; option F, no agent. The core concept involves managing SQL Server instances on Azure VMs using the SQL IaaS extension. This extension allows for automation of maintenance tasks. You must determine which specific commandlet is needed to modify the SQL extension configuration and which specific management type parameter value is required to enable advanced features like automated patching for both the operating system and the database engine. I believe the correct answer for the first blank is option C, set-azvm SQL Server extension. This commandlet is specifically designed to configure the settings of the SQL IaaS extension on an Azure Virtual Machine. Other options like get-azvm SQL Server extension are used for retrieving information rather than applying configuration changes, while set-azvm extension is a general-purpose command that is not specifically tailored for SQL Server IaaS requirements. In my view, the correct answer for the second blank is option D, full. Setting the management type to full enables the complete suite of manageability features, which is a requirement for supporting automated patching for both the operating system and SQL Server. Options like lightweight or no agent provide restricted levels of functionality and do not support the full scope of automated patching features requested in this scenario. An exam tip for this topic: remember that the SQL IaaS extension operates in specific modes. Always verify which management type is required for your administrative tasks. Full mode is essential for features that require the agent to actively manage the SQL Server instance, whereas lighter modes are intended for scenarios where you need minimal overhead or are not using the integrated management platform.